Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. In the previous video you saw that we broke some things on the E46 while drifting and driving on a field. So in this video we will be repairing some of the damage, like the differential and some other things. So let's get right into it and let's go to Eunice.
Alright, the BMW is ready to be put in the air. Let's go. Let's first check the other side. If this is alright. This one is not that great. Okay, so we thought this looked a bit off, and as we just discovered, the shock just broke off. Yeah, so this is definitely broken. As you can see, the rubber that connects these two parts just broke off. So yeah, it's not welded to the rest of the shock, which I found pretty strange. So yeah, we'll find a solution for this and see what we can do about it.
Come on, Eunice. Come on. Come on, get it, get it.
So it's almost out, just these two and then one over here. So yeah, almost out, come on. Damn, filming and doing this is difficult, man. Yes. Forgot there was a hole in it.
Draaischaft is mee ontkomen.
So we got the rear axles off on both sides. We got the drive shaft loose, but it's seized in there, so we can't get the diff out. And I don't have any time anymore, and Bo doesn't either. So we're just gonna leave it here. I'll probably come back tomorrow to try and get this loose and hope we can finally see how bad the damage is. Cause yeah, the hole here, can't probably see it, but yeah. I got the diff out. As you can see, the bolts are out too. They're over here. And now the moment of truth. Yeah. It was supposed to be a welded diff, but as you can see, it's unwelded itself. I found a piece of the metal plate we welded in to the diff. So I probably think the other plate just got shot out, and that's the culprit of the hole. I think it's pretty fixable. Only downside is this little metal piece right here. Maybe we'll get it out, I don't know, we shall see. So I put the shock back in, I seated it back in its position, and I ordered a new part that's coming in a few days, so then I'll probably put them back on. But I've also noticed, if you can see the camber on this wheel and the camber on this wheel are a bit off. So we'll have to look at this tire right here to look what's wrong with it. But yeah, the diff is also savable, but there's nobody here that can weld the diff. So yeah, we'll wait for it.
Dus, ik zei autodoc.
Dan ga je een auto maken niet ommaken.
Ja, maar ja.
Wat dat deur?
Ja, hier.
Dus nog een knopje erop steken.
Ja.
Dus zo, en die draait op de andere daar rond. Zo is het een bandje.
Bram has just welded the diff again, a little bit stronger now, so hopefully it will hold. Also this hole is now closed. As you can see, there's no more hole. Next step is put the gasket maker on this, put the lid back on, and put it back in the car, wait a few hours until it's cooled down, and then put some diff oil back in it, and then it should all work again.
Bitch. Super topping.
En die moet er ook weer in, zeker?
Ja. Hier is dan geen...
Oh.
Kom.
Dat je erin moest. Ja.
Je zet naar 100 Newtonmeter.
Eerste D hier. Hè.
We moeten de botten
Dat
hebben.
hier. Hè.
De botten die daar liggen. Ja. We hebben gewoon heel dat ding. Here you go, sir. Thank you. Waarom ligt hij er niet effectief?
Eerste deel.
Ja.
Dat daar gewoon
En
aan
een
denk.
motopotje. Een motopotje steken van achter.
Oh, wacht even.
Nou, de laatste. Het zijn de laatste twee.
Ja, ik had ook eerst een ding hier erop staan.
Ik kan ook niet anders uit, hè.
Other side.
Ik ga... Ja, de hoofd van... Allee, dat wil ik.
Een beetje draaien naar de andere kant. Nou, een beetje. Ja.
Hey! Maar dat is één kabel.
Dat is die in dat jas van een auto eigenlijk, toch? Die bluft dan meestal toch, dus...
Ik ga lengte 3 meter bestaan zeker.
Wat zo wel, hè. Ik heb ook nog een wish-kabel gehad, dat ding heeft ook nog een half jaar of een jaar meegegaan.
Dus €2,60 voor 3.
Now you can turn 180 aan.
Doorgaan. Ik heb nog meer van kabel. USB-C, dan poortkabels.
Staat even testen.
Ik weet niet.
Dat is superleuk. Ik zeg zo zet. Ik heb geen kinderen in mijn bed.
Jepla.
Hopla.
Eigenlijk kant aan kant.
Tada. Nu moeten ze gewoon nog getorkt worden.
Yep, dat is goed. Diff officially in.
En nu zijn het al de deze en dat zijn al de 6e torkspekverseurs.
Scheiße! Ja.
Easy peasy.
Thanks to Mr. Haney's, we got everything torqued down. Thank you.
Remember, kiddos, drill a small hole inside so you can fill it quickly. Alright guys, so we're gonna start by just sucking out the old brake oil and so we can replace it. Alright. As you can probably tell, it's pretty gross. It's supposed to be pretty clear. This one is clearly not. Step 2, install the adapter. Step 3, bump it up. Alright.
Step 4. Open the nipple and bleed it.
Ja, het is nu 2. There it is. Let's fill her up. Oh, that's disgusting.
Ooh. It's leaking a little bit.
No biggie. Pretty gross. Oh my god, it's a golden shower. Yep, that's it. En nu afkussen.
Huh? That was it for this video. In a future video, we will explain what the future plans are for the E46 and what we want it to be. See ya!